A wee while back I was approached by Dr. Rona Alcorn at Scottish Language Dictionaries to be one of the poets to write a celebratory poem for the Aitken 100 event. This was celebrating 100 years since the birth of Jack Aitken, who was one of the leading lights and one of the main, if not the main, editor of the Scottish Language Dictionary and DOST, the Dictionary of the Older Scots Tongue. So it's been a great honour to write this poem and be part of this with some of Scotland's other greatest makers. So this is the poem that I've written for Jack Aitken and to celebrate the Scots language. It's called A Newsin with Jack Aitken. A Newsin with Jack Aitken. Now is my work all finished and complete, from Jove's ire nor fire's burning heat, nor trenching sword shall deface and doon thring, nor lang process of age consumes all thing. Gavin Douglas, the conclusion of this book of Aeneados. I'll neist ye sit, Jack, ease my shanks, hae a bit newsin to gie your thanks, for syne ye left there's ploys and pranks a rake to tell, and money's as spates gang doon the stank, plain truth to tell. Your praise and fame is richly sung, though in priceless peg your coat was hung, the dictionary o' the old Scots tongue, and seeds you've sown to satellites in space far flung, gang whumlin' on. 100 year sin ye were born, the printed page, new old and worn, has been replaced, but dinna mourn we've cowped your bine. The DSL is far frae gone, it's new online. And we've a fantush team to hain, ilk old Scots word they store and sain, and idently provide a hame for our proud lead. So now the world wide web proclaims Scots words a screed. We've Rona Alcorn, our CEO, in raising funds she isna slow, and organising tay she's no nae idle set. Our daily darg she lets us know, ilk target met. Eileen Finlayson's been wi' us, syne Bill Gates used an abacus, for the book meticulous a guiding licht, lays harms asleep and I was I, she keeps us recht. Pauline Spitell, Scots lead touchstone, there's nae dictionary she's no worked on, her word o' the week the herald's shown for monies a year, on travellers speak she can depone withouten peer. Anne Ferguson's heed thrang wi' projects, she tinkers in a blow the bonnet, blazing like some digital comet a thought the lift, our 500,000 online comments and quotes to sift. Then we've Pauline Graham, the bairn, up for the challenge, she's no cairn, our clerk o' works, the darg she's sharing as weel she's able, but dinna daur to gang a tearn her timetable. Lynn Craig's the Aura office clerk, accounts, payroll and cyclic work, to pay our bill she'd pawn your sack gin she'd nae choices, so Friday, 'fore ye louse the darg, keep mind, invoices. Our seed corn now, Roslyn and Grace, new flown the nest and fair o' face, they tweet on ilka online space, Instagram and Zoom, these sorcerers' apprentices chase ilk bit o' info doon. Sae Jack all friend, you've nocht to fear, our online DOST racks up ilk year 750,000 quotes, it's clear our omnigadrum, in hod's a' thing that you held dear, enablings, then some. And ae mair thing we hae to cheer, in this Jack your 100th year, that same date that you come here, syne through the yate then, grandson Orion Jack appears, a new Jack Aitken. while Abelins gared for Scotland's folk, sic like when ye ta'en up the yoke, thon batten he's and tak the troke, our greatest treasure, a price ayont the ruby's stock, a bin o' measure. For you, Jack, true in word and deed, made sicker we'd ne'er tint our lid. You've borne the gree and did succeed wi' humble mien, a legacy Scotland ne'er shall cede. Sleep soon, my friend.